So in this task, we're going to carry on the previous task, 10W. So use this file and copy paste it and make it into 10x. And then let's go and aim for task 10T report. We're going here to sort the fields on whatever given facts it's given to us here. And we're going to organize it in based on the price and on the capacity. So here is my task 10T. I'm going to copy paste it and I'm going to get task 10x. Over here I'm going to show you two methods. I'm going to show you the first method, which is sorting it by already having this report, and we have to go to design view and we're going to sort it over here by using this icon. And the second method is we have to recreate this report from the beginning, and from the beginning method I'm going to show you how to sort it. So that's the first method. First method, I'm just going to take the same report and I'm going to go to design view. And in design view, let's go to the sort group and sort section. Click on it. So over here, you can see that I have already set some of them. So I'm just going to remove it. Okay. So what we're asked over here, we're asked to, okay, let me change the name also so to know that is for this task. So I am asked, so, okay, let's go click over here, add a sort. So I am asked to add the retail price as a descending order. So click on it. And then go and select largest to smallest, which is the ascending smallest to largest. In case it is a text field, then it's going to show A to Z or Z to A. A to Z is ascending while Z to A is descending. So now I'm going to select largest to smallest as descending. That's the first level. Second level, go and add a sort, and you're asked to add the capacity, and they asked us to be ascending order. Alright, so we got the first order and the second order, and if we had a look, you will see over here the retail price is in descending order, so starting from the largest ending with the smallest. And each section, for example, let's go for 499 you're going to see in each 499 I'm having the capacity in ascending order. 489 same thing, ascending order. Same thing for these three values. So you can see here, and I'm getting 240, 300, and 300. Okay, so that's the first method. Second method is going to be based on the query. So I'm going to use the same query 10T, and I'm going to create a report for it. So report wizard, use your query 10T and add all of your fields. Next, we don't need to do any grouping yet here. So we're focusing now on sorting. So I am asked to, based on the price, or in case retail price based on what you named it. So I want the retail price to be descending while capacity to be ascending. Next, and I just need to change the name. I'm having already 1x over here, so I'm going to call it 2, and let's click on it. So I'm just going to sort it. I'm going to arrange it a bit. So let's, all right, I'm done formatting it, arranging it. So you can see now the difference, that you can see that over here, the file is, the fields are organized in the same method. Nothing got messed up in the column wise, but over here, when I recreate it again, the columns got messed up. So you can see based on the sorting, they got the priority to be first. So retail price is first, and then capacity second, and then the rest in the same order. In case your question paper is asking you to put it in a specific order, and you wanted the order that you already selected in your query, do not go for the second method, which is through creating and going step by step and arranging. Do go through the report, and then from the report, go to the design view and do the sorting over here, because that's going to mess up, this method actually is not going to mess up your columns, but the second method, which is through creating the report, that's going to reorganize your columns. So whatever is easy for you and based on the question, going to be fast, you can do it. That's the end of this task. Let's move to the next one in the next video.